wish to become an ESL teacher, one thing that you need to prepare before applying is that a noise cancellation headset because that's one of the technical requirements. Here are my top 3 highly recommended noise cancellation headset that you might want to check out. Unahin natin to guys. This one is my Unplay Sonate 20. As you can see, grabe, nagbabakbak na talaga yan kasi 2 years na yan guys. Pero nagpa-function pa din to. USB Type 2 guys. And eto talaga yung highly recommended ko, especially if you are looking for a noise cancellation headset na affordable at swak talaga sa budget. Kasi eto guys, ranging from 600 to 800 depende sa pa-sale ni seller. So this one is again Nplay HNA 20. Kahit nagbabakbak na yan guys, grabe, super gamit na gamit pa din talaga to. Still working fine pa din tong Nplay HNA 20. Second is itong Jabra Evolve 20 guys. Actually, hindi ko to matatry kung hindi ko to napanalunan sa 5-1 Talk. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, kapag may pa-promo, may pa-challenge, or may mga pa-event si 5-1 Talk, if you're active, you can possibly win some amazing prizes. Like, eto, nakuha ko lang to for free from 5-1 Talk. So, etong Jabra Evolve 20, it's a bit pricey, guys, pero super nice niya talaga. Ang dami na ding mga ESL teachers, 5-1 Talk teachers na gumagamit nito. Ang kaganda nito, guys, 2-in-1 na yan siya, USB at the same time. Pag pinull out mo to, pwede siya for Type-C. You can easily use this one sa ibang devices mo like phone or your tablet na naka-Type-C. Kapag i-plug in mo yan ng ganyan, pwede mo na tong isalpak directly to your laptop. So, most of my classes here sa 5-1 Talk, ito yung ginagamit ko. Super comfy din ito, guys, and active din yung kanyang noise cancellation feature. Lastly, etong EXA S30 guys, na open ear wireless headset. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat. And then, nag-inquire ako sa isa sa mga admin here sa 5-1 Talk kung allowed bang gumamit ng wireless na headset. And yung reply niya is yes po, as long as may extended microphone. Ito yung dapat nyong tandaan guys. Dapat may extended microphone siya. So, as you can see, kahit wireless to guys, is ano yung kanyang pa-design. Ganyan, meron siyang extended na microphone. Kasi yung microphone talaga yung pinaka-importante. So, open ear to guys. So, kahit meron ka mga 20 or 30 classes every day. So, kung sawa ka na sa paggamit ng mga headset na, for example, Jabra or Nplay, kasi ganun talaga yun siya. Ito yung gamitan mo kasi open ear na to. So, hindi talaga mananakit yung tenga nyo. So, ito din sa kabila, igaganyan mo lang yan siya. So, kahit marami kang classes everyday, guys, never mananakit yung tenga mo. So, if you're after sa comfort na maibibigay ng headset, etong XS30 talaga yung pinaka marerecommend ko sa inyo. It's a bit pricey, guys. Sa lahat ng mga headset na meron ako, etong XS30 yung pinaka medyo mahal talaga. Kasi I think nasa mga 3K plus ata to. And kapag nag-sale, minsan 2,000 plus, like 2,500 or 2,900 plus. So, depende talaga yung presyohan ni seller. So, yes, ito yun, EXA S30 wireless headset and I've been using this one for 8 months na. So, again ha, meron yan siyang extended na microphone and active din yung noise cancellation feature nito. Ang tagal itong malubat, guys. Ito, kahit gamitan ko tong headset ngayon, pwede kong i-charge tong charging case niya. Ito kasi charging case to. So, the moment you will put it back here, so automatic yan siyang mag-charge, okay? Automatic yan siyang mag-charge. So yeah, here are my top 3 highly recommended noise cancellation headsets. So if you want to check them out, I'm going to put the link there.